Our guineas and ducks arrived today, and within just a few minutes, less than 5 minutes of them going into this box, they had their waterer figured out and they've been working on it non-stop. I'm using a Gatorade bottle, and I've had to refill it in, well, about 2 hours that they've been in here. The little guineas are doing well with it, as are the big ducks. Everybody is having no problem at all getting water, and as always, we do not have a nasty water bowl that we're having to continually clean out.